Like a glove. There's a slight thing, this one doesn't work into this to lock it from tilting. So it's not 100% perfect, but it's the fit and the positioning is so spot on. So I will do some thread lock and tighten this like shit hard. So I hope it will squeeze it in place and that will work to keep it in place. So it's really no testing needed. You just put this bracket in place as far down as possible. Push this one on, this in the top position, and just up so you feel it's not touching. And then it's just tighten it like crazy. So this one you need to mount in the top one. Super tight. But this is a single cylinder, so I think it's wise to keep on with the thread lock. So, and I missed this one. So. Mount in place, sturdy and good. GPS in place, or tablet. The thing that doesn't work is this one. Should be pointing straight up. Everything is perfect except for this. Just look at this. It's like made for this device. Remove the lids. So, 3 cables, one for remote, one for tablet, and one for something else. This one, sorry. One is the remote, one is the tablet, and one is this separate charging. Where I will position the remote, I don't know yet, so I'll leave that one for later. But we need to get this one in, and I think it's a pretty big hole on the side here. I remove this. I ain't gonna need it because it's charging totally fine where it is, like this. And if that doesn't work, you have the USB-C to USB-C. So there is a backup. I don't need a third way of charging. The cable is going through here. Super easy to put in. Comes down. I will actually unhook it and put it behind all the cabling. And it goes through here into this side. And here on this side I will put the cable package after I have connected this. So in here we have these 2 cables, accessories 1 and accessories 2. Gone. Coming. Gone. Good. So accessory 2 is the switched power. Then it should be constant power in accessory 1. Yeah, it is. It's just me being stupid. That's nothing new. Okay, so that's, you see, it's constant power. So I will use accessory 1 for the GPS because it's a smart GPS. So minus to the black one, the plus cables goes to the yellow one, and accessory 1. Just tuck everything in, put up the blinker stuff, and yeah, put it in place. And see the red light? It is charging.